In this lesson, I will show you how to easily change the resolution of a photo, as well as how to use the clipping mask option in Photoshop. You can download the photos I'll use in the lesson from the link in the description, and we'll see each other in a few moments. We'll load the first photo into Photoshop by simply dragging it from the folder where it's located. Before that, if we hover the mouse over the photo, we'll see details of the photo, including its resolution. As we can see, the resolution of this photo is 4,800 by 3,200 pixels. Many times, we'll need a smaller or larger resolution than the photo itself. Keep in mind that photos lose quality if you increase the resolution too much. When reducing the size of a photo, there won't be a loss of quality. To change the resolution, we go to Image and then to Image Size option. A window will open where we can see the parameters of our photo. Here we also see the resolution of our photo. Below that, we have a drop-down menu where we can choose some of the predefined resolutions, as well as custom at the end, where we can enter the desired resolution manually. Below, there are fields showing the width and height of our photo. Between them, there's a lock icon that, when enabled, automatically changes the other parameter proportionally with a change in one parameter. When disabled, only the width or only the height will change, but then the photo will be stretched, which we definitely don't want. On the right side, instead of in pixels, we can also choose the size of the photo in centimeters, millimeters, inches. Below that, we have to set how many pixels should be displayed in 1 inch or centimeter. For the best quality, we need to enter 300. In our case, the photo we loaded is of high resolution, and let's say we want to reduce it. We do this by entering the width instead of 4,800, for example, 3,000 pixels, and we'll see how the height of the photo automatically decreases. After that, we click OK, and our photo will be resized. The same principle applies if we want to increase the resolution of a photo. Now I'll show you how to use the clipping mask option in Photoshop. We'll load another photo. Let's say we want to put this photo over some text. We'll write something with the Type Tool option, adjust the font and size. We can also manually adjust the size by pressing Ctrl plus T on the keyboard and simply dragging the edges to increase or decrease the text. Now we'll drag the layer with the text below the layer with the background. If the background is locked, we'll simply click on the lock icon once, and it will be unlocked. We'll select the layer with the background, right-click, and choose the Create Clipping Mask option. With this procedure, we've created a mask, and the background is visible only in the shape of the text. With the Move tool, we can move the background, adjust it as we like. Now, holding Shift, we'll select both the background and the text and drag both layers to the tab where the car we loaded earlier is located. To make the text look better, we can add a shadow by right-clicking the mouse and going to the Blending Options option from the drop-down menu. We'll choose Drop Shadow and adjust the shadow as we prefer. That's all for this lesson. If you like this course and want to stay up to date with the lessons I release, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!